Now, with this story, what are you thinking?
No, I'm not going to change my mind. I mean, obviously, another disappointing announcement, but the stock is reflecting a lot of bad news, Scott, down 68% and trading at 5 times EBITDA. And I think to put it into perspective, look, it is bad press. So I'm not going to try and have a positive spin. Put it into perspective. They've got 76,000 employees. So laying off a couple of dozen, not a big deal from a monetary point of view. And they're also cleaning house at this point. They're going to lay off 13% in total. So they've kind of gotten somewhat of religion in terms of the cost structure on the traditional business. And I'm trying to look at the traditional business because that's why I owned it. That's why I bought it. I didn't buy it for the metaverse. I bought it for the fundamentals on the traditional business. And we talk about this all the time. They have size and scale in DAUs and MAUs. They actually beat gross margins and EBIT margins last quarter. And Reels, in last 6 months, Reels plays are up 50%. So they're making progress. And so that's what I'm focusing on. I'm trying to focus on fundamentals, ignore the meta. I would love for them to reduce cost meta. He's not going to do it.
It doesn't irk you at all, though, as a shareholder who says I'm focused on the core when the company has made it clear that they're focused elsewhere, right? I mean, they're not investing in the growth of the core. They're investing in the growth of the new. And they're telling you in not so many words that that's really not going to stop.
Well, I don't know if I believe that because Reels is the core. And Reels is one of the big parts of the strategy in seeing some sort of turnaround once they can monetize it. And I think they will be. Who knows what happens with TikTok and the regulators? I don't know. But they are spending a ton of money on Reels, and they have a $3 billion revenue run rate going on right now in Reels. So I'm encouraged by that. In the meantime, as I mentioned, they still have eyeballs in Facebook, in blue, right? At 2 million daily active users and 3 million monthly active users. That's a big deal, Scott. Eventually, advertising is going to come back. I don't know when, but it is. And when it does, they're going to come back to those that have eyeballs, who have an increased time spent, who have new products that people are engaged with. And I think that is Facebook or Meta at 5 times EBITDA.
We'll leave it there.